perfect.
Ooh, looks like I nicked a few on this one. Ooh, I don't know about these ones. There we are. All right, let's start with the mint stack here. Mega's been rough to me. I hope it comes around this time. Mega's been really, Shed Ninja, okay. It's mint, okay. Buddy Poffin Full Art. Seems like there's a lot of the Full Art trainers in this set. What we got here? A Mega Camerupt EX, okay. At least there's some hits in here. And for the non-mint stack. Yeah, you know, it could be worse.
That's another successful day of Pokemon Roulette.